Hello everyone, I'm back. Yes, first video of the new year. What can I say? I'm sorry. Just a lot of things have been going on, dealing with a lot of stuff, life in general. So today I thought I'd start with a quick video to get back into the swing of things and see how it goes from there. So today we are making sour cream cornbread. Enjoy. Okay, first, oven is preheated to 400 degrees. I'm actually going to do cornbread muffins. Basically, I'm the only one in my house that eats cornbread, so instead of making a big pan, I'm doing cornbread muffins. I can freeze them, take them out when I want to have them. So, first, dry ingredients. Flour. Yellow cornmeal. Sugar. And in here, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now we're going to mix all this together. Okay, just like so. Make a little well. This is about 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Forgot to get the egg. One egg. Like so. And here's the weird one. Sour cream. About 1 cup. I'll have the exact recipe in the description. So now we're just going to mix all this together. You want to mix everything together to moisten the cornmeal, but you don't want to overmix it. Just like so. Now this recipe is easily doubled, tripled, whatever the case may be. Now, this is where you would add sliced jalapenos, garlic, or anything like that. I am going to add a little bit of a kick. I'm going to add some sriracha. That should be good. Don't want too much, just a little. Mix it in. And then start dolloping it out. So, as you can see, I'm just dolloping them out, not doing anything, not doing any measurements or anything like that. And also what I meant to say was, where I added the sriracha, if you wanted to, I do like it too, I just decided not to. You could add some whole kernel corn. To give it a little bit more texture. I do like my cornbread with whole kernels of corn in it. I just decided not to. like I said, there's no rhyme or reason. Make them as big, as small as you want. You could also put this batter into a 9-inch round pan, a 9-inch cast iron skillet, and then put it in the oven. It's up to you. Okay, so now that that's done, into the oven, 400 degrees, like I said, for about 20 minutes. Okay, I just turned off the oven. It's been about 20-25 minutes. I have a cooling rack here. So now I'm going to take these out. There you go. I'll let these cool for a few minutes and then take them out of the pan. Okay, so I'm slowly taking these out. You could probably just flip this over. I guess I should have told you I did lubricate this pan with some spray, non-stick spray. And boom, there it is. So I'm going to let these cool down for a few more minutes, and then we'll cut into one and see what it's like. Okay, let's use this one. See if I can move this over a bit. I'm not going to cut, I'm just going to break it open. Oh, look at that. I don't know if it'll register. I don't know if you can see the steam. We'll put some butter on it.